Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk a little bit about the sound of the consonant p, as in P, pit, pot, and pat. What we can say about this sound is that it's a voiceless because we don't get vibration in the throat. Also, we can mention that it's a bilabial sound because of the place of articulation. So we need both lips to produce the sound. For example, in the word people, that is at the beginning, in the word campaign that is in the middle, and in the word ship that is in the final. Also, we can say that this sound is sometimes in a silent way, like in the word psychologist. Also, it can be preceded by a sound S, like in the word Spain, and the manner of articulation is plosive.